We got some more products here. What's going on, guys? Today's video we have another setup upgrade. This one's gonna be a little bit bigger because we have like a chair and just a bunch of stuff. We're gonna do a new microphone as well. So we have a ton of exciting stuff. We're just gonna pop straight into it. Oh, okay. Okay, so this is a product review actually. I didn't know this was arriving right now. But these are just some Bluetooth speakers by a company. Okay, so this is the Ampligame 2.0, that's what I'm gonna call it. And hopefully it's gonna be good. I'm hoping it is. It looks amazing on camera. So yeah, that's the Ampligame 2.0. I'm excited about that one. And then last but not least, we have, oh, okay, so here we have our label printer. So I'm gonna be getting some more business type of shipping stuff. Probably not drop shipping, because that's like, but something similar to just shipping out products. And we're gonna do it with this right here. And then we got also like 400 labels, I believe. So that's gonna come in handy. Time to get that out of here. Today we have a new product. As you can see by the looks of it, it's a new chair. And it's gonna be replacing my old squeaky one, so I'm happy about that. All right, let's get into it. And we're done. That's it. That's literally it. So it'll take anywhere from 15 to 45 minutes to be able to assemble. You can easily assemble this very, very quickly, as you can see. We're gonna check it out. So this chair retails for under 200 bucks, and it is very, very well made. From the quality you're getting to the comfort, everything else. You have a headrest here that angles for about 30 degrees that has height adjustment as well. So you get maximum comfort, and this does have like a mesh material, so it'll fit to your head, and you can just angle that however you want. So it's really comfortable. Same with this backrest mesh. It has a basically passive cooling, so whatever your temperature is in your room, or if you even have a fan right here, you can blow it to the back of your back and you'll have really cool back and you won't sweat as much. The cushion is very, very supportive. So you're good on that. You won't have any rough cushion for a very long time. Same with the padding on here. It has a pretty good amount of padding, very good stitching. These do go up and down. So if you need to not use them, you can do that as well. The headrest is removable as well. You can tighten it right here, tighten it right there with the little Allen wrench, and then you can keep it in the same position. Same thing for this backrest here. You do have a lumbar support, which is height adjustment, and then you can adjust it to about 15 degrees, which helps the back support. So it's really good. You'll have that nice ergonomic shape of your normal spine, and then it just overall looks clean. Like in the setup here, you can see it looks really, really good for a gaming chair and or just office regular working. You can have that. You can be a streamer here, and your streams will go very, very well. It's very nice. Comfort, very, very good. As you can see, you can adjust the amount of kickback you want, and then you also have a lever here on the right hand side which you can lock into place, and you could go up to about 3 or so feet, as you can see, and then that's how high it goes. So we have the lowest setting here. That's how low it goes. So it's really, really good on height adjustment. The weight capacity is about 230. Now it does have up to 120 kickback. So you can have it straight 90 degrees or up to 120. Now you can adjust it on the bottom here to how much you want it to be able to kick back, easy or not easy. And it is very comfortable with this back piece here that you can adjust and tighten. It really helps with your back support. Now the dimensions on this, you do have 2 feet in width, roughly 3 feet in height, fully extended. Let's go ahead and talk about these wheels here. So the wheels are a polycarbonate. They're shock absorbing, non-slip, wear resistant. So you got a lot of protection on them. They are pretty good on carpet. They're good on hardwood, but you do have a strong bearing capacity as well as a strong certified level 3 cylinder, which is a international certification, eliminate security risks. But this base is really strong, whether it's made out of a nice polycarbonate or metal. It's a really good material. It's very strong. This one right here is something I've been needing because the one I had before, it sucks now. So all right, so this is just the new power strip we have here. Oh, it does come with screws, thankfully. Oh my gosh. Okay, so we have screws here. This is mountable, so I don't have to ever use tape again. And the mounts are actually like on the outside, not the ones with this little mounts on there. This is an 8 outlet, 6-foot cord. I think you could get 12 feet, up to 12 feet. But yeah, this should be a lot better for my setup. Since the one I currently have, I'll show you in a bit, but it sucks. And then this one, let's get into this. Oh my gosh, this looks like the same exact one that I did a review of. This is just a wireless microphone. This is a product review, so I need to do a review for this. I'm really excited for this because we really desperately need it, and I'll show you why. You see all that? Yeah, we're gonna fix that. And hopefully this power strip, along with some more cable management, will help it out. I really do like, see look, stuff is falling down. It's because it's hot, it's getting hotter. The glue is getting softer and easier to peel off because of all the weight. Doing a mounted power supply, which takes up most of the weight, and it should be good. So we're gonna go ahead and power this off real quick. And like, you can see this power supply, it's just, it really sucks a lot. There's like, I tried several methods. I tried my typical original spots here, just new tape. I tried heavy duty Gorilla Tape. I tried super glue and none of that worked. I even tried super glue weighting with nothing on it, holding it something up to make less weight on it. I tried so much and it just doesn't work. So I'm gonna keep it, but it's not going to be for my desk anymore. It's taking a little retirement. We have the drill ready here. Make sure we have the right drill bit. Let's go ahead and do this. And I'm pretty sure 1/8 should be a good size. Yeah, 1/8 should be a good size. These screws. Thankfully they came with them because I don't have any of these size that will fit my desk as well. Let me double check that these actually fit my desk and don't pierce through. Oh, they're cutting it. Yeah, they're cutting it. Look at this. It's getting real close right there. So I'm probably gonna have to drill it right around halfway. Sorry if I'm in the way. All right, so we got two holes right here. Let's re-drill this. There we go. Like I said, I can't go all the way, so it's gonna be dragging a little bit, but as long as it holds, then I'm fine with that. All right, we're good. Nice. Okay, and it didn't pierce through. So now we could actually do some cable management. So I'm gonna go ahead and, like a nice and clean setup, I'm gonna reroute everything. So I'm gonna take everything off normally, reroute it, and then cable ties right there. And then these little chocolate bar type things. Wish me luck. All right, I think we finished after probably 30 minutes. That was very time consuming and I'm very sweaty. Oh my gosh, that was a lot. Time to finally plug it in and get some power going. And as you can see, this is the before and this is the after. This is the aftermath on how much we use. My camera is hot, but we use like probably 7 or 8 of those. We took down some stuff, extra Velcro here. We used a few cable ties. We destroyed a few cable ties, placed them basically. So yeah, we did a lot. It's very hot and I'll get back to you when it's cooler. All right, so I have no clue when my audio died, but basically I was saying we got a new power strip. It looks so much better under here and I just really wish I would have got that sooner. As you can see, it's mounted really well. There's a lot of tape on the outside of it because I've used that for my previous power supply, but this one, the cable management and everything else is way better than it used to be. And on such a thin desk, it's probably one of the best I could make it. There's cables right there, which I probably need to fix. That's just temporary stuff that are right there. I do have a USB hub down there, which is just for power. Right now it's only powering my fan, which is up there. This little boom arm I got also, really good boom arm. Really good boom arm. It doesn't really, I probably have to unstiffen this, but it does like bend really well, but it looks really nice. It's really cool. So that's that. That's my little setup upgrade. As you can see, it does look really nice. I'm really happy with it once again. So yeah, in this video we did do mainly the cable management. We did do that new gaming chair technically. It got rid of the squeaky one, so I got that out of the way. We got pretty much a lot in this video done. So I'm gonna try to do these videos once a month, but we'll see how it is. So yeah, we got this, we got that. What else did we get in the video? Because I don't remember. We got those speakers in the back right there, which do sound amazing. They're literally in the same spot that they were for the thumbnail. But those are amazing speakers. We got more stuff coming on the way. We got more bump box speakers, so I highly recommend you guys subscribe because we have big stuff on the channel coming soon. And I will see you guys in the next one. Thank you for watching.